The second half was the Fred Neil songs. Freddie was from Coconut Grove, basically, and then down in the Florida Keys. And he wrote the Dolphins, Everybody's Talking, and A Little Bit of Rain, all in the key of D. We gave him the key of D one year. Just said, you got it, man. Got D. Him and Mickey Newberry. Yeah, but he had it like capo in the second breath, dropped D, and just left it there. Sang everything. Yeah, that's all you need. Thank you. I'm glad you enjoyed all that.
That was good.
Side trip there.
Yeah, that was good.
Okay, now speaking of side trip, I want to do this before everybody gets sidetracked. We got some friends here from there are a group of people who have changed this island quite a bit. And when I first got here, there were dogs, packs running everywhere, and there were woolly little indiscreet things, and they were all over the place. And we got a couple people here from SAGA, which is the group that takes the dogs in. They've been doing it 15 years, you say? And the little program says it's hip to snip. And when they get these wild dogs, they neuter them up, and then they find them a home where you can take them in, and it's been very good. They even have a plan where you could take them from here to the States fairly easy. And so what I've done, here, Kathy, I'll take my hat, and they've got a little dish, and I'd like you to, we're going to pass the hat. This is some kind of some money that they use to operate. Was it $50 Belize to snip? That's $25 a ball. The dogs have 2 balls or 1? They have 2? Oh, I didn't know. It's one of those little information things I don't quite have. I'm sure it'll be in the Huffington Post.
Yeah.
So anyway, we're going to do a couple songs that feature dogs. I wrote a song, Mr. Bojangles has a dog in it, and my son wrote a song called Something About a Boat That Has a Dog in it. So we're going to play both of them for this while it goes around, so feel generous. Just remember your money goes twice as far. Well, there's something about a boat sitting on the sea. It's out there in the wind, floating on the free. It can take you around the world, bring you back home. Something about a boat keeps your dreams afloat.
Thank you.
And there's something about a guitar and the way it still rings after all the smoky bars and the busted strings. Well, it's played a million songs that broke a lot of hearts. Hell, it's mended some scars. That's old guitar. Ain't it funny how something seems like nothing at all? Take a big old world and make it feel real small. You see windows where there are walls. When you make something out of nothing at all. Now there's something about a dog sitting by your side. If you've had a bad day, you want to run and hide. He's a wagging that tail, grinning that grin. Something about a dog makes my best friend. Ain't it funny how something that seems like nothing at all can take this big old world and make it feel real small. You see windows where there are walls. When you make something out of nothing at all. Let's play one. something about a dog just sitting by your side. When you've had a bad day, I've actually seen a dog smile when he's wagging that tail, and he's a grinning that grin. Something about a dog makes a man's best friend. Ain't it funny how something seems like nothing at all? Take a big old world and make it feel small. You see windows, weather, or walls. When you make something out of nothing at all. Yeah, there's something about a guitar, something about a dog.